Hello. Today again we are on uh, uh, in practice session, and today we are going to talk about QBasic programming. It is for mainly grade 10, and obviously we talk about how to write a program, uh, maybe using function procedure, sub procedure, the data file, etc. We'll discuss every day with some questions, previous questions and answers, and it's analytical part. So here we can see one program on my screen. Okay, I have made it a little bit bigger in font size. Uh, it is about the outputting, so how to write the program using maybe the function procedure or the sub procedure. Now let's see some more programs. Last time we discussed about the E number. Now let's go for the F number. So what that F number says, then we'll discuss gradually what is this. First is a declare function num a. Let's save it. F number. And question says here, declare function num a. One parameter is there. Next is there cls. Next is there s equal to 0. S equal to 0. Next is here for x equal to 1 to 5. Next we have here read and. Then we have here s equal to s plus num n. Num n. Next x. Next we have here print as. Then we have data 1 2 3 4 5. 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5. Next we have function part here, and this part is entered here. Next we have, let's zoom in so that it becomes clear. Next part is function num a. So let's copy it from here. Num a. So we don't need this part. Here is num equals to a power 2. Anything else there? In function, that's all. Now we are asked to write the output, as well as nowadays actually we are also asked to make a dry run table. It's very simple. Let's start a description of program from top of the Java. So this is the uh, declare part of auxiliary function. First s is 0, we can write in table s is 0. Then this loop it starts to run from 1 to 5. As it becomes 6, it stops there. Now this and it starts to read the data, that is 1 from here, yes or no, it is from there, and that one goes here, yes or no, it goes here. Now since it is the calling of function here, we can say so this num it is the name of function and it is returning value from here. So what happens here, this n which is reading from here, it reads the value 1. Okay, so let's see the output first, and we can go for the further dissection of the program. So here is the output 55. Yes, it's very simple. Now let's analyze this with the help of this output or without output. So first n it is 1, yes, and that n it is passed from here to this a, and what this a is doing there, it is finding a square and returning to num, yes, num. So since the loop is running 5 times, means this value, this n supplies 5 times value, that is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 to this function, or the parameter we say a finds a square and it is stores in num, yes or no, it is stores in num. And what is the final value we get from there? So first 1, so it finds the square of 1, so we get 1 here, so 1 is stored in this as finished there. Next time 2 to the power square, so 2 is transferred from here, so it becomes 2 to the power 4 that is num, again it gets the value 4, so 4 is supplies, previously it was 1 and 4 comes here, so it becomes 5. Next time is 3, it again supplies 3, it finds the square of 3, 3 power 2 we can say 9, 9 is in num, so 9 comes here, 9 is applied to this as the previous value and the current value, that is summed together, and the new value is stored in this as variable. Next time 4 and next time 5. So this is how the values are read, and it is copied to a variable, that is parameter BIA, this n, and after that finding square and returning back to s. So this is how it works there. So we can make easily two table. First we have to write the s equals to 0. In second column, what we have to write, loop is running 1 to 5, yes, and in third column what we can write there, n, yes. So what is the value of n first? 1, and second time it becomes 2. In next row we can write 3, in next row we can write 4, in next row we can write 5. Similarly, as in next column we can write s. So what is value of s? What we can do there, in next column we can write s equal to s plus num, and there when the value of n is 1, so we can write the s is 1, yes. Similarly, in next row what we can write there, when the loop is running second time, it gives us 2 power the 2, that is square, and the previous value it was 1, so 4 plus 1 5, it gives us 5. In this way it goes on there. At last we get the output 55, and that is the output here. So this is how we can analyze the program and we get the output. So nothing more there. Now let's go for the next program here. So it was F number, no, sorry, E number. No, it was F number. Okay. Now next is here. It was asking 207 SLC. So declare function avg and the three parameters it is having there. So let's go for this. Yes, let's go for the G number. 6 G number. Now let's write the program. We don't need to write same program from here. If something is repeated, we can move ahead here. So declare function avge. Yes, let's write here avg. Okay. How many parameters are there? ABC. So let's write ABC, BC. Next, x equals to 10. Okay, let's write here x equals to 10. X equals to 10. Next is here y equals to 5. 5. Next is here 15. Z equals to 15. Okay. So that's all. Next is calling of function. Yes, and assigning to AB. So let's write that AB equals to B equals to ABGE XYZ. So X, Y, Z. So this is the calling of function. Yes, by putting this same name here, because the function returns a value. So what we need there, we just to put the name. Yes, and that gives us the output. We can also use the print. Next is a print average of three numbers. From here, print the average of three numbers. Okay, what is this? AB. Let's put AB here. Next we have here, let's zoom in. Function avg, then s equal to a plus b plus c, and abg equals to s by 3. Let's go for it. We don't need loop here. Let's remove this part. Okay, now let's do copy and paste this part. Next we have here s equal to a plus b plus c. Next is there avge equals to s by 3. That's all. Yes, nothing more. So next is your in function. So what it does here, look here. First let's see the output, then we'll go for it. Means simply say that we are going to find the average of three numbers. Yes, and that is 10. Look here, it's very simple program. Average of three numbers, that is 10. Now how it works? So how to make the dry run table? For that, uh, obviously this is the declaration part. This line, it is optional. Yes, this is declaration part having three parameters. X, Y, Z, we are taking variables, we are passing through this calling. Yes, we are passing the value of X, Y, Z variables using this calling to this function. So X transfers value to A, Y transfers value to B, and Z transfers value to C. So this is the new variable, that is local variable of function. It finds the sum and average. It finds the average of these three numbers and stores in this AVG. So what is the rule of function procedure? Uh, whatever value of the output we get there, we have to store into that the function procedure name. So it is storing that, and what we need there, we have to transfer to main module. So this is the main module part. Yes, from where we are getting the output. It is getting the output, storing in this variable AB and printing from here. So that's all, nothing more. So what could be the dry run table? First, what we need there, we have to write X in the first column. In second column, we have to write Y, and in third column, we have to write 15. Yes. Then the function we have to write the ABGD, and that is transferring the output of the function to AB. Nothing more there. And inside ABC, what we have to write? A is 10, B is 5, and C is 15. Similarly, as is sum of these three numbers is 30, and average is divided by 3, that's 10. That's all. It's very simple program, and very simple way we can understand about this one. Next is there. It was about the string. Let's go for the string here. It was asked in 2074, and it uses sub procedure. Let's have it as number. Let's go to write it here. Sub. What is the name of procedure here? Display. Display. Okay. How many parameters are there? Only one, $. Okay, let's use $. Here. So $. Okay. It is using capital letter. Let's use capital letter. Okay. CLS fine there. $. Equals to computer. Okay. Let's remove this part from here. So $. Equals to it's capital or small? It's capital. So COMPUTER. Okay. So that's all. Next we have to call. To call, what we need there, just we have to put call keyword, then the name of procedure is a display, so display. After that we have to pass the actual argument, that is $, or we can also directly pass that $. Is there, so $. Okay, display, fine there. Now let's go for this one. Let's do copy and paste entire part. It is not needed. Okay, now next part is there. There is loop 1 to len $. Okay, let's go for it. And step 2, for c equals to 1 to len $. Step 2. Okay, next we have here $. Equals to $. $. Equals to $. Then $. Then $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $. $ sorry, d dollar equals to, what is happening here, d dollar equals to mid dollar, then we have t dollar, then we have here t dollar c1, yes, c1, okay, c1. So next is here a loop gone from here, so c equals to 1 to len uh, t dollar, okay. Next, c, after that what we have to do here, c1 print dollar, d dollar is there and semicolon is also there, yes, p dollar t dollar c1, and step 2 is there, okay, let's put here step 2 means increase the value by 2, print d dollar, this one, that's all. Now let's think actually how the program will work here. So how many parameters? Obviously one parameter, yes. And what is the actual argument? So this is the actual argument. How we get a computer? We are passing from here. And what is inside the sub procedure? How many times loop is moving? Len, it finds the length of its library function. It finds the length of this incoming, we can say the argument, that is computer. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So len gives 8. Yes or no? So let's write it here. It is helpful in dry run table. So len equals to 8. Fine. That is step 2 means it increases by value 2. So 1, then plus 2, 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. Now, what is here? D dollar equals to mid dollar, T dollar, C1. C means the position, means for from first position. 1 means take only one character, that is mid, and it is stored in this D dollar, and that is printed from here. So what will the letter for from first position? That is C. So it prints first C. Yes, yes, C. So that is the value of D dollar. This is how we can put in the that dry run table. Yes, and that is printed from there. Since there is semicolon, it means in same line. Yes, okay. See here. After that, what happens? It's capital C. Let's put capital C. It would be better then. Okay, let's see. See. Next time value C, it becomes, step 2 is there, so it becomes 1, 2, 3. Now from third location, we have to take only one character. So value of C is now 3. Yes. From 3 means 1, 2, 3. M comes to D dollar. Yes or no? And that is printed from here. So it becomes now M. Yes, it becomes M. Now next is there, after 3 it becomes 5. So what is 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, U. So U is again extracted, only one character, so it becomes U. Yes. After that 5 it becomes 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E. So we get E there. So this is how at last after that 7. 7 after 7 it becomes 9, and the 8. So there are only 8 characters, so it becomes invalid. Now let's run the program and see how output is right or wrong. So look here. uh, so same output is just CMUE. Is not it? It's very simple, and this is how we can run the program, and we can put everything in that our dry run table. So in dry run table we have to put all the variables. First what we have to put there? T dollar, and just down it we have to put the computer. Yes. Next we have to, in next column we have to put the loop, that is c equals to 1 to len, and that is step 2. So first we have to write 1, next iteration it becomes 3, next it becomes 5, next it becomes 7. In next column we have to put d dollar. D dollar means first we have to write c, in next row it becomes m and u, and in next column we have to put d dollar, and output is c m u e. That's all, and that is printed from here. Yes. So this is how it works. That is sub procedure. I hope you answer about this one. If you have any questions, you can let me know. So do you think any confusion you are having there? Let me know. If no confusion, then fine there. Okay. So this was uh, next program. Now next is here. Let's see. It was SC2075 asked there. So let's see what it does and what it says there. It is same program as we have done here in previous program, like finding sum of all the numbers 246 and storing and the printing. That is not it here. It's the same program first two. So we are going to avoid this. Now let's see another program 2075. So let's go for this 2075. Okay. We will also say using the dry run table here. So file, let's save it. I save as 8 I. So what the question says here, declares of series. So let's remove here. There is parameter, no parameter. Let's remove the parameter. Series. Next is a call series. No parameter here. Okay. Let's do copy and paste here. Ints are fine. Next is any variable. Okay, no variable in the main module. Next we have to go for the uh, sub module here. Sub series, find x equals to 1. Okay. X equals to 1. Is there any loop here? Okay. K equals to 1 to 4. Okay. K equals to 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Next is here print x. Print x. After that we have semicolon here. So put semicolon here. Okay. So any value change for the print x. Yes. X equal to x plus k. Yes. X equal to x plus k. So x equal to x plus k. Okay. Let's save it first. Now just look here and let's analyze this program. Yes. If we analyze, then it becomes easier for us to write the program and to write everything in the dry run table. So this is the name of procedure. What is the name of procedure? That is series. Any parameter, no parameter, we are calling from here. Yes. Now inside the series, first column it contains First we have first column there, it contains x and the value is 1. That's all. After that, what happens? In next column we have to write k equals to 1 to 4. Yes, k equals to 1 to 4, and there it goes the value of x, that is 1. Yes, and in same iteration what happens, the value of x it is changing, means what we have to put there, x equal to x plus 1, that is it gives us 1 plus 1 2, k it comes from here and it becomes 1 plus 1 2. Yes, now in second iteration means second time what happens, this one it becomes 2. Yes or no? We have to change the value in different row and we have to put the variable at the top of the column. So first it was x1. In second iteration, when the loop it becomes we can say the 2, then what happens, it becomes 2 because the value it has been changed. Okay, now when the k becomes 2, so what was the value of x? It was 2, so 2 plus 2 4. Yes, so first it printed 1 from here, now x became 2. In same iteration x became 2, so 2 goes here, so it becomes 2. Yes or no? Next time what happens, uh, k becomes, okay, k, so first next time what happens there, k equals to 1, so x is printed first time there. Yes, let's write here downside, uh, x equal to 1. Yes, first iteration. Yes, first iteration here, and in same iteration what happens there, mm, k equals to 1. Yes, and the x equal to x plus k, so it gives us 1 plus 1, so that is 2. Okay, now that's all finished. After that what happens, second iteration goes in there. When the second iteration goes there, the value of x changes, so it becomes 2, so that is second iteration. Yes, after that what happens, k becomes 2. Yes, in this way we have to write it becomes a part of the run table. So x equal to x plus, that is k. Okay, what is the value of x? That is 2. Fine. And plus, what is the value of k here? 2. So it becomes 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now third iteration. X equals to 3. Yes. In third iteration what happens? What is the value of x? 4. So it becomes 4 there. Yes. X becomes 4. As we can see, it is showing the 4, so it becomes 4 there. Now iteration is third iteration. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay. Now what is value of k? K equals to 3. Now what is value of x? X equal to x plus k, that is x is 4. Fine, then plus k is there 3 equals to, it becomes 7. Yes, that's all. Next time what happens, x becomes 7. Yes, x becomes 7, so that is last iteration, fourth iteration. So k becomes 4 and x equals to x plus k, and that gives us x equal to x, x is 7 and plus k is 4. So that is 11. Yes, so this is how we can make in that dry run table. First we have to put the x in first column, and we have to put the variable name and that loop and its counter in the second column, its related values downside. Now, so it seems that actually this program is going to give the output since x is printed here 1 2 4 7. Let's see, let's run it. Look here, it is giving us 1 2 4 7. Is not it there? 1 2 4 7. So that's, it's very simple there. So this is how we can analyze the program, and this is how we can write in the dry run. And look here, it's a simple sample of the dry run. First column it contains x. In first row we have to write 1, second row 2, then 4, then 7. Yes. Now in second column what we can write there? 1. Yes, the value of k, then 1. In second row 2, then 3, and then 4. Next column what we have to write there? The value of x. It becomes x is 1 2 4 and 7, and the k it becomes 1 2 3 4. Yes, yes. And next column we have to write the value of this expression, that is 2 4 7 11. That's all. So in this way we can write the program, and in this way we can understand actually how it works there. I hope you also over this one, and in this way you can break the program into multiple pieces and you can write in dry run. So do you think any confusion here regarding the QBasic programming and the practicing? Okay, now let's go for the next program here. So this was the I number. So any number here. Okay, J already we have J, yes, we have discussed it. Okay. Next is the K number. So what is K number? Look here. K number simply says that yeah, it is using function procedure. Yes, it is using function procedure. And let's see actually where is the problem. And next is the L number, that is absent. No. Okay, let's go for the K number. But before that, let's just write some programs using QBasic, and then tomorrow again we'll discuss about this dry run table and many others. Let's write a program here. So it's a very simple program as here. We can easily answer all these questions. Write a program. Let's see from the latest to the oldest. Okay. So here is to find the average of three numbers given by the user. So let's go for this one, F number. We have already done that. Okay, let's do some that different program from here. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, it's very simple. All the programs are very simple here. Let's take anyone. Uh, okay, SE2072. To input any string from the user and display it in reverse order. So let's go for it. Okay. Let's use function procedure and sub procedure both. declare sub reverse. Let's pass one variable parameter here, cls declare call reverse a dollar. Let's input here a dollar. Okay, int sub reverse a dollar int sub. Okay, now we are asked to reverse, means we have to run the loop. Obviously we have to take all one character and just we have to concatenate them, and to concatenate them what we have to do there, uh, we have to use same variable as it is going to start. Yes, and reversing means if we give apple, look here, if we give apple, yes, then it becomes e l p p a, it becomes a. What does this mean? That so e is missing. Okay, e l p p a, okay, it means we have to run the loop from length of this string to the one, yes or no, and we have to go for the concatenation. So let's go for it. So for I equals to len, that is $8 to 1 step minus 1. Yes, next. So here let's use another variable $d equals to $d, and plus we have to use mid function here. What is the name of variable? $8. So $8 we have to take from the I location. I, how many characters? 1 1. That's all. After that we have to print it from here. So let's print from here. So print $d. Yes. So nothing but that. Let's run it. Is there any error? I don't think so. Reverse $8 find reverse declare sub. Okay, call reverse. So everything is okay. Run, start. So enter a string. Okay, let's give apple. Look here, we have given an apple, and the what is reverse here? Ilappa. So it's very simple program. You note it here. Now what we can do there? Let's save it first. Now we can write same program using function. Yes. So what we need there? If we want to use the function, so in same program we can write. It's very simple. Let's declare another. Declare function. Okay. Now since it is returning string type of data, string type of output, so we have to use the dollar sign here. Let's use same value here, $8. It's very simple. After that, let's use now function procedure. Okay, int function. Yes, as we need same loop here, so just copying and pasting here. Okay, now what we need here, since the function says that it returns some value. Yes, so instead of writing this print, what we need here, we need to transfer this value d dollar to rep. So rep this one equals to d dollar. Yes, it's very simple. After that, this d dollar, it restores the output rep, and we have to print it from the main module. Where is the main module? Here. Let's print rep dollar. Now what is the name of parameter? A dollar. Yes. So that's all. So let's save it. Let's run it again. So any issue here? I don't think so. Any issue here? So not running. Look here. Okay. Asking for input. Let's keep ample. Okay. Look here. We have got two time output here. ELPMA. ELPMA. Is not it here? So fine. So we have used both a procedure, sub procedure, in which we have to get the output using call. It's very simple questions. We can give the answer. We have to use call. Whereas in function procedure, we have to use the print. That's all. Function, it is returning some value. Look here, and sub, it does not return any value. Yes, yes, yes. So this is how we can write the program in QBasic. And again tomorrow I will be coming here with some programs uh, so related to QBasic and some more questions and the discussion. So stay tuned. If you like the video, just share with your friends and just tell them that QBasic discussion is going on internet in live session. And if you like, if it was helpful, so let me know. And if you want to discuss on a particular topic, let me know. Uh, just share with your friends. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.